Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle SE in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The Shuttle also comes with a DSG 7-speed automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Starlight Blue, and the vehicle features a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the Shuttle sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, and towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a rear window. The Shuttle also benefits from having a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area or boot space, there is a very sizable amount of storage space in the rear loading area. This Shuttle comes with the 9-seat pack. A 3-seater passenger bench is in the rear, and in the middle seating area there are 3 individual seats. The Shuttle also features a 3-zone climate system with a control panel for the rear passengers. Up front in the driver's cab there is a twin armrest seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. Plenty of leg space for passengers all round, and in forms of entertainment there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system in the centre of the dash. This system features access to DAB radio stations, as well as coming with navigation with a 3D Maps software. This system also houses the Park Pilot display. Down and to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.